Boom! What are you doing? What are you doing to create an audience, to create a show, to get people engaged? See, here's the thing. In life, in business, the person with the best product doesn't win. Crazy, but it's true. No, the person with the most attention, with the biggest following, that's who wins. So in your business, you've got to be focused on how are you creating attention? Have you ever been to a trade show? Right? We've all been to trade shows. There's tons of booths. What are you doing to stand out? See, I'm reading this book right now. There's a Customer Born Every Minute, Joe Vitale. It's about P.T. Barnum. I'm reading it because I'm a child and I love fun stuff. P.T. Barnum, same way, right? And so as I'm reading it, I've realized a couple things. See, P.T. Barnum, when he was in business, the number one thing he did, the reason he was so successful at a ton of different things was because he was a master at being loud. He was a master at being bold. He was a master at being flamboyant. And guess what? People noticed. See, people notice. That's what you have to do. You have to create something that people are going to say, oh man, that makes sense. Okay, I see what you did there, right? You have to grab their attention. You've got to continually grab their attention over and over and over again. Because eventually, what you're doing is going to stop working because they get used to it. And then you go do something else. See, that is your job in business. Your role when it comes to changing the world is to be as loud as you possibly can to capture people's attention and get them to listen. People must listen. Here's the thing. When you're bold, when you're flamboyant, when you're obnoxious, when you're out there, people notice. But the key thing is they notice, right? Because I promise you, there's people who have fantastic products, fantastic services that help a ton of people, but no one knows they exist. Why? Because they're not loud, they're not flamboyant, they're not putting themselves out there in a way that grabs people's attention and hooks them and gets them engaged. So that's what you need to do as you're going through life, as you're building your business, as you're on this mission. You need to be loud. You need to be flamboyant because that's what's going to capture people's attention. It's what's going to get people to listen to you and say, you know what? That guy, he knows what I'm dealing with. He gets me. He understands me. I want to talk to him. See, that is what marketing is all about. It's about getting attention. So I want to encourage you, be bold, be flamboyant, be outrageous, because those are the things that are going to get you the attention you need to fill your event, to fill your pocketbook, and to change the world, okay? It's not playing it safe. Playing it safe is the quickest way to stay exactly where you are. You've got to get out there. You've got to be loud. That's one of the reasons I am creating an entire TV show. Right? I'm going to use Facebook Live. I'm going to use this channel, this profile. So you guys should pay attention and join it because it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to model the Ellen show, right? Ellen does a great job of being loud, flamboyant. And she's got a mission and she's got a platform to push it through, right? So I'm going to create that. It's going to be personal development, professional development, and it's going to be fun because I think everything should be fun. See, that's one way that I'm getting loud. I am getting loud because in order to accomplish my mission, in order to change the world, I have to get loud. So do you. So what are you doing? What are you doing to get loud? What are you doing to get attention and make people want to follow you, want to listen to you, want to join you on your adventure, join you through your struggles? What are you doing? You've got to do something. Figure it out. Get loud. That's how you make an impact. If I can help you guys, reach out to me. I'm here to serve. Let's change the world together, because we can. We can. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon.